So me and Brian just pulled up. We're trying to get to the dam, but we found the white bass just popping everywhere right now. So hopefully we can get into them some. Actually change spots. Got the old trusty lose telespeed. Let's see if I can make it happen. Hopefully it's not a bunch of gar. I got into something. I think it's a gar though. I hooked a shad. One of these giant shad. And one of these days I'm going to do a catch and clean on one of those. We're not actually catching them, so here we go. This is actually crappie number 2. I wasn't sure if I wanted to start filming yet, but here we are. It's a dink, but still fish. That's a good hybrid. Alright, so my camera died while I was out catching crappie. I don't know how much film I actually got, but so far we've caught just about every species. I caught 3 stripers, 3 hybrids, over a dozen crappie, as you can see, some white bass, some catfish. I caught a gaspergoo. I caught almost every variety, but me and Brian kind of went in our separate directions. And Brian, that man, I'm gonna miss him every time we come out. Not every time, but most of the times we get into him good, and today was no different. Look at these freaking, oh shoot. Look at these fish, man. He caught some good hybrids too, some big hybrids and some more white bass. And we hate to leave, but I do have to go pick up my kids later. But we'll fish on the way back, and we'll see where it gets us. But man, what a beautiful catch. What a great day.